everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to create an account on Notion AI. So for that, what you need to do is first thing you need to open a Google browser on your PC and then click open new tab. There on the search bar you need to type in Notion.so and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page. Notion AI is a tool that lets you summarize the notes you've written on page within your article. Notion AI is a writing assistant that can help you write, brainstorm, edit, summarize, and many more. It helps you save your time and spend it more wisely. So once you're at the official web page, you need to click on login over here. Click that. Once you're at the login page, here you can see the option of continuing with email. You can also continue with Google or Apple. So type in the email address first, then click on continue with email. Now, as this is a new email address, you will be directed to the sign up page, and Notion has sent you a code regarding sign up. So what you need to do is open a new tab and go to your Gmail. Click open Gmail on new tab. There's the Notion mail. Click open that, and there is your sign up code. You copy this code from here. Click on copy, click on paste, then click on create new account. So here you need to provide few personal details, that is your name first. Then below you provide the password for your account. Type in the password. Then click on continue. Welcome Alexa Blake. What would you like to Notion for? Work, life, school. You choose your option over here. So I'm gonna go with the work option. Click that and then click on continue. So here you will need to provide few details like what is the name of your company, how many people work at your company. You type in the company name. Select the number of people that works and then click on continue. You need to provide few more details over here. What is your role? Click on the drop down menu and choose the options. What is your team? What are you planning to use Notion for? You can choose as many options as you want in here and then click on continue. Here you need to complete few more steps. That is, if you want to invite your teammates, you can share the link by clicking on get shareable link, or you can type in the email address on the text box and just add them. I'm just gonna go with the take me to Notion. Click that, and with that you have created yourself a Notion account. So this is how you can create a Notion account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.